Welcome to 99 Minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we dive into setting up the How It Works section on your loyalty page. You'll notice we have different sections here. First, make sure the user is logged in and redirected to the dashboard screen. Head over to the Widget tab. Click on Widget, then check the loyalty page and hit the Customize button. On the loyalty page, you'll find various sections like General, Hero section, and How It Works. Today, our focus is on the How It Works section. Here's where you'll handle visibility. Simply enable the section and check out the preview. You'll see options for different step types like images. Go ahead and select Image. I've chosen the image option and titled the section How It Works. This is where you set your title. Now, let's configure multiple steps. For instance, I have used Sign Up as an example. If a user needs to define the program and illustrate how it works, you'll need to provide a title like Sign Up and a description. For instance, create an account and get 20 points. You can upload images from this section, whether they're new uploads or chosen from a list. I uploaded an image here and did the same for the earn points and reading points descriptions and images. Once everything's set, click the Save button. Check it out on the storefront. This is your Shopify store, and once logged in, this is the homepage you'll see. Now, on to the rewards. We've set up rewards as a loyalty program here. Let's take a look at the How It Works section. It's already configured in 99 Minds, featuring the sign-up title, description, and image that you set up. That's how you configure the How It Works section in the 99 Minds widget settings and display it on the Shopify storefront. Thank you.